Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be finishing up the wine bags. Let's get into it. So if you're not familiar, we've been working on wine bags. I've done a couple videos on these already, and I also have a tutorial which I'll have linked down below, as well as I have a pattern if you'd like that. I have it linked down below. It's only 99 cents. It's a digital pattern. So the wine bags can be used for wine, they can be used for a map, they could be used for a water bottle, you can use them to give as a gift, you can use them to just transport things to and from. You can use them in whatever way that you'd like. So they consist of the two handles as well as the exterior fabric and the interior fabric. And bonus, with this method of construction, you're able to have them be reversible. So there's a lot of possibility here, and I'm really happy to have finally finished this project. I cut all of these fabrics out maybe 3 years ago, and they have just been sitting. So I'm so proud of myself that I have finally done something with these fabrics. So without further ado, let's get into it.
Alrighty, so we lost all the audio here, so I apologize. But what I'm showing you is that I picked out all the fabrics to go with each of the exteriors that I already had prepped. So the first one had those music notes, then we have the butterflies, the dogwood flowers have the geometric pattern. Okay, on to the next one. All right, and then the next one has flowers and then another kind of flower for the inside. I don't know what the word is of this pattern. I think maybe argyle. And then also the curly cues, those both are getting the black marble. And then we have like 3 or 4 that are gonna get the light blue. So those are all getting light blue. And then we have the red, white, and blue flowers as well as the little hexagon dots. Those are getting red. And then we have Christmas, and that's going to have little Christmas trees. So those are all the fabrics. Alrighty, so next up, I'm just letting you know that I need to iron all the fabrics before I cut them so that I can cut them accurately.
Here we are, all of the wine bags are cut. I think I counted 15 here. So we've got the exterior and the linings set together. Now I need to go ahead and take each set, them right sides together. I could do this one-handed. Put them right sides together in them. And I'm going to sew down the 3 sides, box the corners, and I'm going to do this to both the exterior and the interior, leaving an opening, and then I'm going to put the interior inside of the exterior, sew it together, and go ahead and burr the bag. If you want the pattern on how to make this, I have the pattern linked down below. Alrighty, here is where we're at. So I've got all of these guys, the lining and the exterior sewn on the 3 sides, and then the next step is to box the corners, and then I'll put the interior inside of the exterior right sides together and sew them along the top. So let me go ahead and do these 2 steps to all of these guys, and then we can turn them right side out. Here's where we're at. So all of these guys here, I did a white stitch along the top, and then I've pulled them out so that then we can stitch the opening shut. Where's the opening on this one? Right there. So I need to go through and make a couple piles. So like these guys, I'm going to stitch with white. This needs to be red. And then like these, I'm doing navy, this one black. So I'm going to try and do as many in white as I can. But like one like this is going to be much better in red.
Alrighty, here are all the wine bags done. So let me show you what they all look like. So we have the flowers with the interior is some more flowers. Then we have the plaid with a blue interior. These two are matching, so on the outside they have the dogwood flowers, which is the state flower of Virginia, where I'm from. And then the interior, both of them are the same, have this like geometric pattern. Next up, we have the blue stripes with the light blue. I feel like this is so like preppy, like something that you would take to the beach. This guy here is another plaid with the same blue. This one is dots. In the interior, I may need to flip it out all the way so you can see the full pattern. And like I said, I have the pattern linked down below, as well as if you'd like to purchase any of these, my Etsy shop is linked down below. These are butterflies. Isn't that so cute? This one is like Christmas dots. And so on the inside, I use this little itty bitty Christmas tree pattern. Next up are these swirls, which the inside is like a black marble. Once again, I feel like I need to just like fully show you this one. Isn't this pattern so cool? Then we have flowers. In the interior of this one is a bunch of music notes. I'm not sure what you call this. Is this argyle? Is that the right word? I think maybe. And this one has that black marble. This one, these are not dots. They're actually like hexagons with just a solid red. And then last but not least, my favorite. I adore this pattern. It is so pretty. This one I put a solid red. So those are all the wine bags. Thank you so much for joining me. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and have a wonderful day.